Good morning. Ira Epstein with your morning flash update, and this update is for the morning of Friday, and boy, what a week it has been. It is the 15th of May, 2023, and we're at 8:20 p.m. Central Time. Now, today is Triple Witching Day, so remember that. Plus, we have the Juneteenth holiday coming up, and that is on Monday. Stock markets will be closed. Futures markets have abbreviated trading in many of them. I've again sent out to all my customers the trading hours, so take a look in your mailbox there. You're still getting the grains moving to the upside. Dry weather is still there. Pay attention to the bonds and notes because the stock market isn't. The stock market here, if you take a look, everything's fine, yet you're pushing on the 210 back into the high 90s. Something's going to break here. I don't know which way. Something's going to break. I think the stock market's getting overextended. It's a melt up, and you got to always be careful. And when they pull the plug on those, they just pull them. You're trying to keep the energy market's well bid because the market has got its fingers crossed that China will come to the table in some type of important stimulus package. It hasn't done so yet. The dollar is having what I'll call a very feeble attempt at a rally. The gold market, I think yesterday was the washout to the downside. It was your blowout day. I think they took everybody out. Now the market's back up to the 18-day average and fighting a very, very important battle. So let's take a look at what you have today. You have the Bank of Japan start the day off. They left their interest rates exactly as they were. The threat is still there that if you put the yen down too far, the bank will step in and do some intervention. But barring that, they're sticking with their ideas. At 9 o'clock, we get the University of Michigan, the prelim, June consumer sentiment indices. Last month's readings came in at 59.2. We'll see where these come out. They're expected around 60.2, a slight improvement. Remember that the markets are closed on Monday. European Union, we just saw year-over-year CPI inflation rose 6.1%. Sounds high, but it's down from the 7% over a year ago, so they are making some headway on it. And you got to pay attention, but, you know, with food prices and all as to what's going on and how hawkish Miss Lagarde is, because she is a definitive hawk in the market. But every time you look at our stock market, it's just a melt-up that's going on. And this is people that figure, I missed out, the market would break today, they're not getting it. What will Triple Witching do it? I don't know. At any point, you can pull the plug on this thing very easily for no reason other than, it's a correction that the market had to take. Hard to tell. When you get these type of moves, it doesn't even allow you to get a lower low than the previous day to come in, and it's never easy to work with. And what you want to do on days like today is keep up with all the action, and we have a tool for you to do it. Our tool is very different, and this is our app, and it's built specifically for traders that look at the futures all in and all out, weather markets and the grains right now. Come on, you want to see it? Our maps are updated throughout the day. Oral commentary. If you're driving in your car, you just put this down, you hit the oral, it'll play all your quotes to you, 1, 2, 3, and the sequences you give. We have 2 views on it, so if you're like I am getting older, you want big numbers that you can read, it's here. The charts are easy, you can put your indicators, and they're easy to read. We built everything so that it's easy. My videos all play through this, so if you're looking at my morning videos or my subscriber videos are there, everything I write is in here. Just take a look. I mean, you talk about something built for the trader, that's it, and we give it to you for free. So how do you get this and all the items that are in it? Okay. All you need to do is go to our website at iraepstein.com. And when you're there, go to the free offers. All you need to do now, if for this one, is you come up, you click up the icons there. You can always, as I said, go here, or you can call my staff for a free offer. It does work on iOS and Android. It works on tablets, and we even have a version that is separate for the big screens. So I think you'll find this very fascinating. So let us hear from you. You have a great Father's Day weekend, all. I will see you over the weekend with the weekend edition of our market wrap-ups. I'm glad this week is over. I got to tell you that. You have a good one.